Click on the link below to get price. The AmScope 3.5X 180X Trinocular Stereo Microscope is a remarkable piece of equipment that excels in both performance and versatility. Designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, it offers an impressive magnification range from 3.5X to 180X, making it suitable for various applications, including biological research, electronics inspection, and jewelry making. One of the standout features of this microscope is its trinocular head, which allows for the simultaneous viewing of samples through both eyepieces and a third port for a camera attachment. This is particularly beneficial for documentation and sharing observations with colleagues or students. The image clarity is exceptional, thanks to the high-quality optical components that provide sharp, distortion-free images across all magnification levels. The built-in 4-zone 144 LED ring light is another highlight of this microscope. It offers adjustable brightness and customizable lighting angles, ensuring optimal illumination for different specimens. Whether you are examining transparent or opaque materials, the LED light provides uniform brightness and enhances the visibility of fine details. The mechanical stage is a practical addition, allowing for smooth movement and precise positioning of specimens. The large stage accommodates various sample sizes and makes it easy to switch between different areas of interest without losing focus. Moreover, the sturdy base and adjustable height add to the overall convenience, making it easy to set up and use for extended periods. Assembly is straightforward, and the microscope feels solidly built, ensuring durability over time. The included 5MP camera is a great value, enabling users to capture high-resolution images and videos of their findings. The software provided is user-friendly, allowing for easy editing and sharing of captured images. In conclusion, the AmScope 3.5X 180X Trinocular Stereo Microscope is a fantastic investment for anyone in need of a reliable, high-performance microscope. Its combination of optical excellence, adjustable lighting, and user-friendly features makes it an excellent choice for both educational and professional environments.